this is my setup. It doesn't look really good right now because I have one laptop over here, one laptop over there, and one PC over there. But the main problem is not how it looks. The problem is I have no space on my desk. As you see, I have to keep laptops, monitor stand. That's gonna change really quick. Really quick, I'm gonna order a new monitor stand which has a little bracket like this and clips into your desk. It's gonna be much more let's say space useful. So but this is not the point of the video. The point of the video is this is the vertical stand laptop SPS, because yeah, as you can see, a lot of my desk space is covered by these two laptops. So what I needed to do was to get one of these, because I saw one of these and I said, oh, maybe I can use it. So here it goes. They come with a key, a small key, so you can adjust it, because this is also, let me just show you really quick. This is adjustable, as you can see here in the videos, from 14 to 42 millimeters. So this should fit really nice. Let me just open it really quick. Let me get this out of the way, and also all this garbage. So this is spacer. It looks really nice. It is aluminum, as they say. They have adjustable brackets, so depending on your laptop size, as you can see, this one is a little smaller, let's say, but this one is thicker and also collects a lot of dust, leaving it open like this. So I'm gonna clean both of them, this one, clean, dust them, and so on. Adjust my spacer, which is really heavy, but it's not moving. As you can see, I'm moving the monitors. Oops, I just took something down from the cables. Oh my god, I tried some cable management, but yeah, I'm not really good at that. And also I moved a lot with my laptop, so I need to put those back in, and then those will be in a fixed position. But let me mount the spacer over there. Let me clean the laptops and get back to you. So it's done. As you can see over here, we have the spacer, which is the two laptops which are standing still. As you can see over here, I have a much more cleaner desk right now, and this is what I oops, dropped the water bottle. That's what I wanted. So I have much more room over here, also over there, and also cleaned everything up. So yeah, this is my setup for now. And since we're still here, go check out my MX Master free video, link in the video description. Also, this is the MX keys. You know, in the last setup I mentioned that I need to get my MX keys, my MX Master, and a stand for the laptops. And as you can see, this is my setup. Let me just get out of my chair. I know the chair makes a really bad noise, but I will change the chair. Yeah, it's really bad, but yeah, it's only gonna be here for a few more days. So as I mentioned in the previous video, one PC, two PCs, three PCs. So 3 computers, 1, 2, 3 monitors. This one is tied to the smaller laptop. The other one is connected to my PC and the other laptop. And this one is only connected to my PC. Yeah, it's a, let's say, multi-purpose workstation. I can work at the same time, edit something, write an email while in a meeting with somebody. I know this is not good, but don't do it. I also can game from time to time. When I want to game, I have here, look, 2 controllers. And I was thinking about a triple setup and see how FIFA or NBA 2K is working on 3 monitors. Let's see. I need to get some more cables for that, so that's gonna be another video. But for now, I think this is it. This is my setup. Yes, I have here my trusty Razer Siren Mini, which is really nice and real clear audio. Also, how do you like my desk? I know what it's missing. It's missing here 2 buttons, go up and down. But that's gonna be electrified, let's say, later on. And also, I think I've had enough of 3 monitors. I might go with 1. That Dell is super nice and looks really good. And I need it, but I don't need these 2. Maybe I can drop them and get a bigger one right here. Let me know what you think. And that's it. This is the desk upgrade, let's say, setup upgrade, how do you want to call it. Don't forget to check these 2. I mean, these 2 are out of the chart. I mean, there is no comparison, or there is no term to they don't even go in the same discussion with what I had previously, but only just this is worth all the money. 1, 2, 3. The possibility to change from 1 to 2 PCs to 3 PCs, like that. It's so much convenient. Also, let's not forget, this has the same thing, 1, 2, 3, as you can see here. But Logitech, you still have to do it. They cannot be linked together. It would be really nice if I could link the keyboard to the mouse and don't just change one and both to be changed. This is working with Flow, but Flow is not working if you have firewalls and so on. So please do something, Logitech. And let's not forget the audio, because I mentioned the microphone part. I'm still rocking with the Onikuma K5 headphones, which I told you, I need to get rid of cables, need to be wireless soon. But until then, I still need to figure out something. I still have a lot of cables over here, as you can see on my desk. This is one phone charger, Logitech charger for the keyboard and for the mouse. And also I need to clean up a little my desk. But this was it. And let's not forget, this is the Trust Tyro and this is the ring light. Yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.